Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Rose Santos, your accredited real estate expert based in Cavite. I am excited to share with you our Westwind at Lancaster New City in General Trias, Cavite. Kung gusto mo ng kondo na malapit lang sa MOA at Metro Manila at perfect para sa investment, stay tuned dahil para sa'yo to. Bago tayo magsimula, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kang updated sa video na i-upload ko. Hello everyone! Today, I'll be taking you on a tour of the actual delivered unit of the 2-bedroom condo here at Westwind at Lancaster New City. This unit has a total floor area of 36.40 square meters and a 2.8 meter high ceiling. So, you can imagine how spacious and airy it feels inside. Let's start the tour right here in the kitchen. So, as you can see, this is the kitchen area. It's designed with practicality and functionality in mind, perfect for everyone who enjoys cooking or needs a space for meal preparation. Since this is the actual delivered unit, everything you see here is exactly what you'll get. Now, one of the best things about this kitchen is that may mga provision na ito for your appliances. First, may designated space for electric stovetop and range hood. So, kung mahilig kayo magluto, this area is ready to accommodate your cooking essentials. Aside from that, you'll also notice a provision for a washing machine. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng convenience sa paglalaba, madali na lang ilagay dito. Hindi na kailangan lumabas para maglaba o gumamit ng common laundromat. Here in the toilet and bath, makikita nyo na may magandang layout siya. It's simple but modern, with everything you need. The shower area is spacious and you'll notice the clean tiles that are not only stylish but also easy to maintain. Perfect for everyday use. Sa taas, makikita nyo ang exhaust fan, which is a great feature for proper ventilation. This ensures that the space remains fresh, especially after using hot water or for general air circulation, preventing any unwanted humidity or odors. Now, let's head out to the living and dining area. This is the heart of the unit where you can relax, entertain, or spend quality time with your family and friends. As you can see, the living area is spacious and well lit. The 2.8 meter high ceiling really opens up the space, giving it a more airy and comfortable feel. First, let's check out the first bedroom. As you can see, this space is designed to be cozy and practical. It's big enough to fit a queen-size bed along with additional furniture like a small dresser or study table. Now, if you're someone who loves a more relaxed vibe, this room can be perfect as a master bedroom or even a guest room. You have the option to decorate it to suit your personal style, whether that's minimalist, modern, or something more homey. Let's move on to the master bedroom. This one is a little bit bigger and is designed to be your private sanctuary. As you can see, there's enough space for a queen size or king size bed. So if you love having a spacious sleeping area, this room is perfect. Here in the master bedroom, you also have the large windows that allow for great natural light. One thing I love about this room is provision for cabinets. They're designed to give you maximum storage, which is really helpful for keeping your clothes, accessories, and other belongings neatly organized. You won't run out of space. The vibe is really calm and cozy, perfect for winding down after a long day. And with the size of this room, you can create your own personal retreat within your home. And now, I'm excited to show you the transformation of our 2-bedroom unit here at Westwind Condo. Kanina, nakita niyo ang actual turnover unit, malinis at ready to move in. Pero tignan niyo naman ngayon. After a little interior work and design magic, see the difference? Sobrang nagbago from basic to stylish and functional. This unit now feels like a real home. Imagine, with just a few simple touches, you can create a cozy living space that's perfect for relaxation or for entertaining guests. The kitchen is now sleek and functional, ideal for anyone who loves to cook or entertain. Ang ganda, di ba? Each bedroom has also been transformed into a peaceful sanctuary, spacious enough for all your personal needs. Now, if you want to experience the same transformation and make this space your own, just send me a message and let me help you turn your vision into reality here at Westwind Condo. I hope you enjoyed our 2-bedroom condo tour today. Again, this is Mary Rose Santos, your accredited real estate agent. Remember, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more house tours and helpful tips on finding your dream home. See you sa tripping! Paalam!